G'day DIYers. We are waterproofing another bathroom. I started this on Saturday. It's not very often I work on a Saturday, but I'm out to, this is my last bathroom before I have a month off. I'm going to have a bit of a holiday. I've got relations coming from overseas and I've hired a humongous houseboat. So we're off down the Tweed River in New South Wales for a week. It's going to be pretty cool. So what I'm doing now is squaring up my aluminium, hence my laser level. I'm siliconing it all down. What I'm doing here, DIYers, is I'm going to be mudding the shower. They want the tile stuck to the floor so it's not a step up at the doorway. So I'm just going to raise the shower slightly. I could have ground that down, but it's quicker and easier to put in a bit of aluminium, raise it slightly. It needs to be a semi-frameless shower, which will stop all water going out. You have your aluminium at the bottom. It's too small a shower for a full frameless shower. It's too small. So we bog it up. Just like that. Just like that. But don't forget, every DIY out there, don't forget your ends. There and here. Waterproofing is easy, but you just must be aware of everything you're doing. So then you're not leaving anything for chance and you won't get a leak. I should have some gloves on. So we're running silicone up there. Up there. Up against the wall there. Very important, everyone. Pretty important. When I've mixed up my mud, I'll come back to you and show you so just checking that for square. Brilliant. hey, I like it. Put some gloves on. I'll just put some gloves on and I'll smooth that out. All right, we'll get back to you soon. I'll mix up some mud. I'll be doing another coat of waterproof in here, which acts as my slurry, and then I'll be slapping my mud straight down onto it. That's good. I'll see you soon. Bye. I've got about 70 ml of water in that bucket there. I pour in roughly half a bag. Give it a whiz up. And then I dry it off with the rest of the bag. Secure the bucket with your feet. And you're laughing. And it goes. Ooh. See that? Perfect. Right, I'll mix up another couple and I'll come back to you. I'll show you how to get the slopes. See ya.